everyone. In this video, let's discuss min-max algorithm problem in artificial intelligence and machine learning using the two-player game tree. Here, the two players will be max and min. Min means minimum, max means maximum. Let's see the theory part, then let's go to the problem. Now, what is the rules? First rule is generate whole game tree. How to generate the whole game tree? So in the problem, they will give the game tree. Or else if they not give means how we should do here. First, this box represent maximum node. This round represent minimum node. Next maximum, next minimum. Like this only the order must be. First maximum, next minimum. Maximum, minimum. Each and every will be having two child. Minimum will also have two child. Maximum will also have two child. Now mark the levels. This is level number 0. This is level number 1. This is level number 2. This is level number 3. So if you see how to generate the game player tree. So if you see, so how to generate the two player game tree. Now if you see how many values are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers will be there. If they give in the form of the list, what you will be doing? 8 numbers are there. So how you will do? 2 power 3 will be 8. 2 power 3 will be 8. We are in the level 3. Like this. If it is 4 means, how can you write 4 in 2 powers? 2 power 2 will be 4. So 2 power 2 means level 2 up to the maximum nodes. Like this you can design the two-player game tree. Now apply the utility payoff function to leaves. So I will show how to apply. Use the DFS. What is DFS? Depth first search algorithm. What it tells? From the root, come to the leaf node of the left side first, then you must move to the right side. First left side, then move to the right side as deep as possible. Now back up the value from the leaf node towards the root nodes. If the maximum nodes, if there is a maximum nodes, you must take the maximum number or the maximum value. If it is a minimum node, it must take the minimum number or minimum element. Now I will show how. So if you see here, it will start from the root node by following the DFS. So it will come as deep as possible and as left as possible. So it came to here, next it will come here, next it will come here. So this is the leaf node. Leaf node means further there is no child for the node with value as 10. So what we will be doing? We will be backtracking. While backtracking, back up value from the leaf to the root. So we will back up the value here. I will write 10. So after moving to the left node, it will be moving to the right node of the parent. So from here it will move to the right node. What is the value? 9. And here it is not having any child, so it will backtrack. While backtracking, it will compare whether 10 is greater or 9 is greater. Because this is the maximum level. In the maximum level boxes, I must only fill the maximum element. Among 10 and 9, which is the maximum element? 10. So this is correct. Now we will backtrack again. If you see for this minimum node, left subtree is completed, but right subtree is not traversed yet. So we will come here. This is empty. So we will go to the left. For upside to downside, as deep as possible, left you must cover first, then you must go to the right. So if you go here 14, you will back the value. Because this is the leaf node, no further child. So you will write 14 here. Next again you will go to the right tree and again backtrack to the same node. So among 14 and 18, now you came back from 18 now. So this is traversed. Among 14 and 18, which is the bigger value? 18. So I will be writing 18 here. From 18 you will be backtracking again. So which is this node? This is minimum node. So what we will be doing? Among 10, among 18, what is the minimum value? 10 is the minimum value. Now again you will backtrack to this node. At present time we are having only 10 as the value. So let it keep it 10. Then let's see what happens in the right subtree of the complete tree. So it will come here. This is empty. It will go to the left. it is also empty, it will go to the left. Here I am having 5, I will write 5 here when we back up because this is the leaf node. Then it will come to the right tree and again it will go back. So because it is also a leaf node, that is no children. So among 5 and 4, which is the maximum value? 5. Next it will go back to this node. Here we are having only one element, so I will write 5 for the present time. Let's see what happens later. Next it will go to this node. This node is empty, so it will go to the left node. So here 50 is having, so 50 will be back up to this box, that is maximum box, because here this is the 0 child node. And it will move to the right child and it will backtrack again. Among 50 and 3, which is the maximum value? 50. So in this box at the maximum level we will be filling the maximum value itself. Now if you see, it will backtrack again. We are having 5 and 50 as the childs of this minimum. So this is, since it is a minimum node, it can take the minimum value. Among 5 and 50, which is the minimum value? 5. Next it will backtrack again. So this node can take the maximum value from its child. So if you see, 10 and 5 are its child, which is the maximum value? 10 or 5? 10 is the maximum value. So it took the value as 10. So this completes the problem. So if I tell the easy trick, so see, among 10 and 9, which is the maximum value? Since we are writing at the maximum level, 10 is the maximum value. Among 14 and 18, 18. Among 5 and 4, 5. Among 50 and 3, 50. Now, let's move to the one level upside. That is, this is the minimum level. Minimum level means among 2, that is the child of a node, we will be writing the minimum value. Among 10 and 18, 10 is the minimum. Among 5 and 50, 5 is the minimum. So one level upside, these are the children of this parent. For parent, we will be writing the maximum value since it is the maximum level. So among 10 and 5, 10 was the maximum. You don't need to do this and all using the DFS also, but to get more marks, you must show this arrow that you used the BFS backtracking technique to solve this problem. So hope you understood the problem of the min-max algorithm, that is 2-player game tree. If you have any doubt, please do comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.